Take off my makeup with me, Frankenstein edition. First, I need to take out my contacts so I can see. I had to stick all this hair on and it was not fun. Featuring my teeth. I guess let's start with the bolts. Oh my gosh. I used Pro-Sade all over, so definitely using some adhesive remover. Slowly but surely. I'm sticking a brush in here with the adhesive remover to hopefully help. I look insane. Oh, we're almost there. That was surprisingly relatively pain-free. Okay, these teeth have got to go. Now I'm gonna use some makeup remover wipes. Almost done. I'm gonna go shower the rest off, but thank you guys so much for watching.
So I thought I'd come on and take my prosthetics off with you because it might be satisfying. Okay, I'm gonna get the chin first. Ow. Oh my god, I gotta be. And now for the nose. Oh my gosh. And that's it, thanks. Bye.
Just finished my dead cheerleader and now it's the best and the worst bit, getting it off. I bet you'd never thought you'd get skincare advice from a zombie. But you should always use adhesive remover to soak underneath the prosthetics, never just tug them off. It feels so good being able to see again. I'm gonna go wash the rest of this off in the shower. That feels so much better. Now some of my favourite skincare to soothe my skin, and then to bed.
Take off my makeup with me, Augustus Gloop edition. You guys love these videos, but I always forget to do them, so here's one. I thought this would be quite satisfying, so one very satisfying is all in my hair. I felt the lips. They're quite easy to come off, actually. Let's try and get this bit. It's literally all in my hair. Lovely stuff. Oh my god, look at that bit. Right, let's get this bit. Oh, it's just not coming off nice. Let's get all these drips. Right, let's try and get it off the neck. I feel like I didn't do it very well on the neck. It's just a bit... Oh! Do you think this is going to come out in the shower? Because I'm quite scared. Right, I'm just going to try and get the hair bits out in the shower. I'm going to take off my lashes. And I'm just going to take the rest off with some micellar water on some cotton pads. And then I'm just going to take the remaining bits off in the shower. That's as much as I'm going to take off now. I'm going to go get in the shower and please pray for my hair.
My thoughts while taking off my makeup. I can't see, but I think I look good. My nails are getting too long to take out contacts. I can see now, and I do look good. Never mind. Bye-bye hair. I just want to get this off and go eat. Wait, why my hair look so good with this look? Poison ivy vibes. Help, I don't want to take this off. I gotta be strong cause I'm hungry. Lashes are an easy start. How do I even start taking this off? Why is my skin so red? Why so much pain? I'm still hungry. Potatoes. It's not coming off. I'm too lazy to cook. Can I find someone to bring me food? I need to shower. I'm kinda clean now. My eyes are stained. Better. Clean.
The moment we've all been waiting for. Time to remove this. I know I say this a lot, but I've never been so excited to take off a makeup look. Let's get to it, shall we? Eyelashes. When I tell you that these things are stuck on, like, what have I done? I genuinely don't know how to go about this. Like, it's kind of satisfying though. Makeup ASMR. Okay, scraping them off is really painful. So instead I'm gonna take a cleansing balm and I'm just gonna like massage it, hoping it gets in between all the rhinestones to loosen them up. Don't ask what I'm doing because I don't know. Oh my gosh, but I think it's working. I guess this technique is working, so I'm just gonna keep doing it. This is a goddamn mess. Ugh. I started this look at 7 p.m. It is currently 3 a.m. just to give you a little idea of how over this I am. Ow. Even in my nose. Oh. I put so much damn effort into this. I swear to God, if y'all let any videos flop, you're fake as hell. Oh my God. I look like a little superhero. Okay, I'm really scared for the eye area. Oh my God, there's so much oil in my eye right now. Oh my God. This has already taken like 20 minutes. Ow. Oh my gosh, did I show you my table? Wow. Well, I'm gonna go shower. Thank you for joining me.
Whoa, wait. 1 second. Anyways, as I was saying, guess what time it is? Oh yes, it is time to take this off again. This was a lot of fun to do, but it's gotta go. If I just pull the zipper, will it rip off? Ah, nice. Now it's time for the rest of this to go. More nightmare fuel just for you. I think I got most of the paint off. There's a little bit in my hair, but I'm gonna shower anyways. But you guys have an amazing day.
L'heure du démaquillage. Je vais commencer par enlever, hop, tous les accessoires, les cheveux, voilà, voilà. M'a râpé le nez. Hop, les fossiles. Oh. Je prends mon huile Caudalie et je tartine. J'ai pas envie. Tant d'heures de travail. Là, je vais bien galérer à enlever ça en plus parce que c'est que du fard gras. Donc c'est comme si vous mettez du rouge à lèvres sur tout le corps en fait. J'ai oublié les jams. Il veut pas. Allez, c'est parti. Le visage ressemble à un schtroumpf, tout va bien. Et ça c'est juste pour vous satisfaire. Hop. En vrai j'avoue c'est satisfaisant. Bande de sadiques. Bon, j'ai fait le plus gros, maintenant je vais passer à la douche pour rincer tout ça. C'est l'heure du...
Take my final makeup off of me. This is like a bloody eyeball zipper type of look, so we're gonna take this thing off, so let's go. Whose birthday is coming up this summer? My birthday is on July 15th, so... Oh, hold on. My birthday is July 15th. I want y'all to comment y'all birthday. Ooh, that was really satisfying. But yeah, I got an A on this project. Y'all already know I'm really good at it. I'm really good with what I do. I love what I do. I love to practice. I love to get better. Let's take the eyeball off now. Okay. Looks like that. And yeah, all of this is from my makeup kit, of course, link in bio. Ooh, that feels good. We're gonna wipe the rest of this off with like a little wipe. Still got pieces of makeup on. All I want for my birthday this year is for y'all to follow me on Instagram. My old one got hacked, so the new one is in my bio. I love you guys. Follow me for the next makeup look.
Remove my.
So I just got back from special effects class, so take my makeup off of me. Comment right now what grade you feel like I got on this, and check at the end to see if you got it right. This only took me a couple hours to do, so yes, let's go ahead and remove this. Oh snap. Alright. Oh snap. I did not come in first place. Actually, a girl came in first place that did like a devil kind of outfit, but you know, we still did a great job. Oh, wow. Look at that bad boy. I really didn't get any bad critiques as to why I'm a little confused on why I didn't get a high placement, because this is kind of like a competition for our class, so yeah. Let me know if y'all want a series to this, because I have to do like a couple more costumes before like the semester is over anyway. All makeup and contacts is used from my own brand, link in the bio. I made a B on this project, so who got it right? Comment if you made it to the end of the video. Love you guys.
Take off my makeup with me. Werewolf edition. I've had this look on for maybe 10 minutes, but I'm ready to take it off. This took 15 hours. 15 hours. I've been so stressed and clenching my teeth that I broke my bottom teeth. I'm ready to take this off. Let's get these ears off. That's my hair. That's my hair. This was a prosthetic that I put on my face, and then this was a prosthetic that I put on my face, and they kind of just like morphed together. And all the hair was placed on individually. So like, I don't know what's gonna come off right now. Okay, that's fake blood, just so you know. Oh my god. Anyone want a beard? I don't know how this stuff is gonna come off. Ow! Oh my god. I just felt it rip my eyebrow. Oh, oh my god. Oh. See, like all this is just glued to me. Ow! Oh! Like, I used a whole bottle of spirit gum on this look plus Prozaid, so I'm just going in with all of the special removers because it's just a mix on my face. That's disgusting. Oh yeah. I don't know if I'm ripping out my sideburns or fake hair. It was my sideburns.
Tape measure. You should leave it here and use it.
And I'm done, minus the contacts, but I'm keeping these in for a little.